Are you the new assistant for Dr. Page?
That's right, I'm Dr. Manson.
I am old Thomas that drive the pony trap, and I got the pony trap here. Unless you rather swim.
Oh.
Gee up, Taffy boy, gee up. Only just got your parchment?
Yes.
I knowed it. Last assistant only stayed 10 days. Mostly they don't stop.
Oh, why?
Work's too hard for one thing.
For another?
You will find out.
Well, this must be Dr. Manson. Come in, my dear. Come in. I'm Doctor's wife, Mrs. Page. Take your coat off. There's a love. Or you'll catch a cold, and your first case will be your own self, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, come along before you're a minute older and meet the doctor.